Well,
what's that over there?
oh my gosh,
I've never seen one here.
I am tripping balls.
That was Nathan. There's nobody important me.
Well, yeah, but is he okay? Where's he at?
We're looking at the tornado.
I'm freaking out. Like, oh my god.
Oh, we hadn't seen. It's gone now.
It's little.
Yeah, we've all been saying that.
That's freaking awesome. I hate it for all them people, but that's
we're
cool.
watching the tornado.
Was you back here?
Oh my god.
And, between here and Wooden Mills, I know it was finances.
I'm so glad that he
You're watching
and Kelly are here because I would have just about lost my mind.
Kentucky. We're all standing back here at World Finance watching it on the
Oh my
do you hear
gosh.
it?
ground and then going back up. Yeah.
That's Bryson.
Yeah, if you go and look outside,
Bryson.
look back towards Discovery Park. Look
Oh
that
my
way.
god. Is it coming back down? Is it coming back down?
Well, you can see, look at the ground level.
Oh my god. It's not gonna, is it gonna come this way?
Anybody's looking at it.
Please don't leave us until it goes away. I hate storms.
It's going. I mean, it's going.
I hope Jay gets home from Dyersburg okay. That's so scary.